Okay, come on. Get it. We're playing. Lexi, do this. Do this. One hand.
Ay, doon pala binigay ko to sa kanila.
Put it in the middle, Arya. Put the
Gastusin nyo. Uwi nyo.
figurine in the
Souvenir ko to.
Put the
Kailangan nyo
figurine
uwi.
in the middle.
Kaya uwi nyo.
What do you mean? You took it. What do you mean? I did not.
Tumatanggap ba sila sa Wika? Tumatanggap
Bella,
ba
you
sila?
did not. You did not, Bella.
Pwede.
You're not like. See?
Bili ako ng Royce eh. Royce. Chocolate. Chocolate.
Wait, I'm videoing with me. Let's see. Put the figurine in the middle. What do you mean?
Nang ano?
Kuya G, can you hold it?
Pero mo na.
Kuya G, help me. My
Eh, oo nga, tsaka may
phone.
utang ko sa kanya. eh.
Lexi.
Parang mo na lang gamit yung yan.
Stop it.
Wala kang gagawin.
I'm keeping it. Give me that.
4,000.
Okay.
Tama ako sa picture.
No, you took this. Kuya G,
Oh,
hold it like this.
and then what?
Ow.
Uy!
Get the figure. Put your hand in the middle. Put
Uy,
your hand.
mga trash nyo ha.
No.
Mabilis picture. Bella, ikaw dyan. Si Lexi, ganun ng konti. Si Arya, ganun ng konti. Ako, ganun ng konti. Di ba?
Do a funny face.
Oh, ready, ready.
Cheese.
You can use this to capture, oh.